We are charged to ensure that we do our very best to make effective social protection the common experience in our country.
It's a strategic priority for the government, and in 2014,
the Ministry of Local Government and Community Development has made tremendous strides.
In 2014, government took a big step towards entrenching local government in Jamaica's constitution when the Constitution Amendment Local Government Act was tabled in Parliament. Cabinet also issued drafting instructions for 3 strategic laws which are pivotal to the process of local government reform.
We have received and commented on the draft bills for the Local Government Financing and Financial Management Act, the Local Government Unified Services and Employment Act, and we await the governance bill. It's the first time really anywhere in Jamaica that we are having a town centre.
As for the inadequate space some other parish councils have to execute their duties,
today we are here on a joyous occasion.
Groundbreaking in late November for a new building to house the St. Thomas Parish Council, and this.
The opening of this facility is a critical signpost of our journey to provide tangible social protection to the vulnerable people of our country.
Several parish councils also got important ICT upgrades, including software to speed up the development application process, and the ministry continued its major redevelopment program for markets across the island.
Any one of you who understand the concept of community development will understand how important it is to the community of Rocky Point to have a proper structure in place to facilitate fish vending.
I am in the market, the new market at Rocky Point.
Minister Arscott also signed a contract with Tankwell Limited to build 170 vending stalls at the Black River Market in St. Elizabeth.
It's the first time in a very long time that we have had any new units. We have 3 in this instance and we have more to come.
Those 3 units, costing $133 million, were deployed to fire stations in St. Andrew, St. Catherine and Clarendon. The Japanese government also provided an $8 million grant to buy 2 more fire trucks and 2 ambulances for the Westmoreland Parish Council, and gave the Jamaica Fire Brigade another $13 million in grant funding to repair and service fire hydrants. And in August, the brigade received $3 million from Petrojam, primarily to train its firefighters. In 2014, both houses of Parliament passed the important Disaster Risk Management Act.
It transcends the emphasis on preparedness and captures the comprehensive disaster risk reduction aspects of contemporary disaster management practices.
A roadmap to seismic safety was also developed to enhance Jamaica's capacity to prepare for, respond to, and recover from the impact of earthquakes. ODPEM installed CCTV cameras in the Bogwall Gorge as part of an automated early warning system, and a specialized alerting early warning mechanism was introduced in Portmore for persons with disabilities. In the latter part of 2014, the National Solid Waste Management Authority identified land to build a $35 million waste transfer station near George's Plain in Westmoreland. As for the Riverton City disposal site,
the ability of the landfill to operate efficiently is hampered by the condition of the road.
So last year, the ministry secured $200 million to rehabilitate the access road to the landfill using concrete, and more than $200 million was allocated to support local authorities in cleaning major drains across the island. As the island battled drought conditions for several months last year, the ministry joined government's multi-agency approach to tackle the issue, giving some parish councils extra resources to truck water to affected communities. And in response to an outbreak of the mosquito-borne chikungunya virus, the ministry released funds to parish councils for vector control, local authorities trained persons to carry out public education, and the National Solid Waste Management Authority got $131 million to deal with the backlog in garbage collection. Prime Minister Portia Simpson Miller also authorized the provision of funds to give each parish council access to $5 million to carry out cleanup exercises across the country. The Ministry of Local Government and Community Development 2014 year in review.
The ministry has been unwavering in its commitment in ensuring that with very limited resources, we maximize the impact we have on households and communities.